This is the summary created from the video. Cloud Computing Security II. The elasticity of cloud computing enables organizations to dynamically scale up or down their computing resources, memory, and bandwidth as needed. This on-demand, just-in-time resource provisioning, and pay-as-you-go metered service model are key aspects of cloud computing. However, implementing security policies around this elastic scaling, on-demand provisioning, and metered service poses a significant challenge, causing some organizations to be reluctant to fully adopt cloud solutions despite their economic benefits. While cloud computing faces traditional security issues like data confidentiality, integrity, availability, and privacy, it also introduces new threats beyond traditional methods. Co-tenancy, lack of control, and reputation fate sharing are among the unique challenges. As the provider's responsibility increases from IaaS to PaaS to SaaS, the consumer's control over the environment decreases. Risks include privileged access, compliance, data location, segregation, recovery support, and viability. Gartner has identified its 7 distinct risk areas that require assessment in cloud computing environments. In cloud computing, sensitive data resides beyond the premise, potentially bypassing physical, logical, and personal controls. Organizations may feel insecure about losing control over compliance processes to providers, as traditional in-house services are subject to audits and regulatory compliance requirements. Cloud providers should provide information on how they hire, oversee, and control privileged administrator access to address these concerns. Audits and security certifications are crucial for cloud providers, as cloud customers cannot scrutinize the underlying infrastructure, posing compliance challenges. Service-level agreements (SLAs) address some concerns, but risks and security loopholes remain. The lack of customer-side audit facilities and the difficulty of auditing external data raise concerns. Employing trusted third-party auditors to address these issues may introduce further concerns about data location. A major concern in cloud computing is the jurisdiction over hosted data and conflicting regulations across different locations. Data segregation is challenging in shared cloud environments where customers' data coexists. Encryption is an effective solution, but has limitations during data processing when decryption is required. Secure key storage and verification of encryption schemes by specialists are crucial aspects. Recovery mechanisms in case of failures are also a significant concern for organizations considering cloud adoption. Even with data hosted by unknown providers, they should explain their disaster recovery plans. The Recovery Point Objective (RPO) defines the maximum data loss allowed after an interruption, while the Recovery Time Objective (RTO) specifies the allowed time to activate secondary systems after a disaster. Fault tolerance aims to minimize business disruption through redundancy and replication. Investigative support and risk assessment are also important components of risk management in the cloud. Investigating inappropriate or illegal activity may be impossible due to the lack of customer control in cloud environments. Long-term viability is a concern. Workflows and processes are integrated into the cloud, as it's crucial to understand how to retrieve data in a compatible format when switching providers. Major reasons for switching include contract price increases, bankruptcy, service degradation, and disputes. Vendor lock-in, which makes it difficult to recover from a provider, is a significant issue identified by Gartner. Virtualization, a core technology in cloud computing, poses risks due to potential vulnerabilities in the hypervisor, enabling unauthorized access. Hypervisor vulnerabilities can allow rogue rootkits, covered channels, and denial of service attacks. Proper access control mechanisms are crucial to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability in virtualized environments. Identity management is challenging, requiring robust authentication of users and services. Privacy concerns also arise from the potential misuse of data mining techniques on large data repositories in the cloud. At the application level, data in cloud environments is vulnerable to common web attacks like injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, XML signature wrapping, flooding, DNS poisoning, and phishing. Insecure communication channels can lead to interruption of services and eavesdropping. Data lifecycle management is a concern for cloud applications as they face risks such as injection attacks, XML signature wrapping, cross-site scripting, and phishing. Metadata like web services description language WSDL files are also vulnerable to spoofing attacks in cloud applications. Regarding data lifecycle management in the cloud, organizations have concerns about maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive data and the fear of losing control over data as providers may peek into it. Building trust in providers and implementing mechanisms to facilitate trust is a challenge. Ensuring the integrity of data and computations performed by providers without tampering is crucial. Availability is also a concern, as critical systems may go down if the provider faces a denial of service attack. Overall, major issues in cloud computing include co-tenancy, where systems are shared with other customers, and the lack of control over data location and processes. Handling inter-cloud communication, such as between multiple providers and services, is another challenge. There are risks of violating access controls when data travels across clouds, potentially accessing unauthorized data. The different roles in cloud computing, like providers and consumers, add complexity, with providers consuming services from other providers. Underlying threats, such as a compromised hypervisor controlling virtual machines, also exist. Trust in cloud providers is crucial, raising questions about service-level agreements, SLAs, and their ability to meet promised service levels. If the hypervisor is compromised, all virtual machines VMs it manages could potentially be affected, posing a significant risk. The lack of control over VM status up or down and proper functioning is a concern. Utilizing multi-cloud providers raises challenges in maintaining trust and transparency across different environments. Risk, trust, and competence are serious considerations when evaluating cloud solutions. Cloud security plays a crucial role in promoting the adoption of cloud computing solutions. It addresses potential bottlenecks in transitioning from traditional to cloud environments by mitigating risks and concerns related to resource availability and data protection. Robust security measures are vital for realizing the benefits of cloud computing over traditional computing models. Adequate security mechanisms facilitate successful migration to cloud computing solutions. In summary, the key takeaways are elasticity enables scaling resources but requires new security policies. Co-tenancy, lack of control, and compliance raise new cloud security risks. Privileged access by providers poses data confidentiality concerns. Regulatory compliance and audits face challenges in the cloud. Data location and segregation issues arise in shared environments. Robust recovery mechanisms are crucial for business continuity. Lack of control hinders investigation and raises viability concerns. Identity management and access control are vital for virtualization. Web application vulnerabilities like injection and XSS persist in cloud apps, and trust in providers' competence and SLAs is essential for successful cloud adoption. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.